The food bank is now the one in need after being hit by thieves. The food bank's air conditioner was gutted, the pricey parts stolen, and that isn't the only business on the block that's been targeted. Local 10 News reporter Amy Viteri filled us in from northwest Miami-Dade.
Well, Lori, staff here say someone made it up onto the roof here at Curley's house, Hope Relief Food Bank, and took parts of that AC unit right out of it, probably to resell somewhere else. But now the people who remain working inside this business say they are doing so in extremely hot temperatures, and they will be until they can come up with a way to replace that unit.
We noticed how hot it was. It was extremely hot in here.
It was immediately apparent something was up with the air conditioning unit at Curley's house, Hope Food Bank, when Laverne Scott and the rest of the crew got into the warehouse Monday.
We're just trying to reach out and make everybody be able to have a really happy holiday season here.
The food bank, located on Northwest 6th Court at 60th Street in the Little Haiti neighborhood, serves thousands of families a month from all over Miami-Dade County.
We give them the basics of food. We give them, we help them with shelter. We also give them clothing.
But over Christmas weekend, Scott says someone targeted the building, climbing up onto the roof and stealing parts from the AC unit. The food bank has surveillance cameras, but some weren't working at the time. Now workers here are using fans to try to stay cool in the stifling warehouse.
It's really horrible, you know, because we are providing this service to our community and to those that are in need.
She says it's not the first time it's happened on this street. At Shays Learning Center, a daycare next door, staff tells me they now have alarms and locks on their units after a previous theft. Scott and her staff still have to find a way to pay to replace this unit.
We will have to raise the money, or this will have to come out of our pockets, and, you know, we really don't have it.
And in just the past 10 minutes or so, someone from this community walked up and told us, in particular, the veterans here in this neighborhood really depend on this organization. So we have reached out to Miami police both about this reported theft as well as others here on the street, and we'll let you know when and what we hear back from them. We're live in Miami. Amy Viteri, Local 10 News.